In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and just wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!